What is happening, guys? And welcome to another episode of The Rundown. Now, usually we would be talking about sports, but since it's a Thursday before the Super Bowl, there's really not a lot going on. Um, just the Super Bowl, waiting for that. Halftime show is going to be dope, maybe. Um, yeah, and the back wall, I've been trying to get stuff for the back wall. My last video, I said I was going to hang up that sign. I still don't have any hooks for it, so I lied about that. Maybe next time. Uh, but yeah, so today I wanted to talk about like just something that I've been thinking about lately is the ocean, and we're gonna explain just dive into the ocean, how it formed, um, animals inside the ocean, life in the ocean. Is there life in the ocean? We'll get into that later. Aliens live in the ocean. I just want to let you guys know that. Also, I have this paper towel thing because every time I try to set up my freaking um dang, I cut myself every time. So got this paper towel. I'll be using it throughout the show, throughout the video. So oh, and this is a new setup, by the way. If you watch my other video, I was turned around a little bit. I just flipped the table, and now there's nothing behind me, so that looks kind of weird. So I need to fix that. But other than that, well, we can just dive right in to why or where the water from the ocean came from. So where does water, scientists, I don't know which scientists, but scientists suspected that the water came from a group of asteroids known as carbonaceous, or simply as C-type asteroids. Earth's water should have been laced with deuterium, which is essentially a heavier version of hydrogen if the asteroids were the sole source of our water. Um, they also said the water, basically, well, mostly the water came from the asteroids hitting the Earth 4.4 billion years ago and formed the ocean 3.8 billion. The ocean, let me slow down. I'm excited. Okay, so 4.4 billion years ago was the formation of the Earth. And then 3.8 billion years ago was the formation of the first ocean, known as the Ocean of Hadean. And scientists believe that the first ocean, Hadean, likely covered the entire planet 150 million years after the formation of Earth. So after the formation of Earth 4.4 billion years ago, then, shortly after, a quick 150 million years passed by, and then the ocean, or the Earth, was covered in water. And then if you want to know why the ocean is blue, the ocean is not blue because I always thought the ocean was blue, because this is what I was told. I always was told the ocean is blue because it gets the light from the moon. That's what I was told, and I probably sound like an idiot, but the ocean is not blue because it reflects the sky, though. I believe that until a few years ago. Well, actually up until yesterday. Water actually appears blue, but does not blue due to its absorption of red light. The water molecules absorb all the red wavelengths from the light, making it reflect blue, but it's not actually blue. All water is clear. Go to your kitchen, turn on your faucet, get some water, and you'll see it's clear. It's not blue. Something's wrong if it is. Maybe bleach. I wouldn't drink that. The ocean, much like you guys, is very salty. Ocean salt primarily comes from rocks on the land, and openings in the seafloor. Rocks on land are the major source of the salts dissolved in the ocean. Basically, rainwater that falls on land is slightly acidic, so it erodes on the rocks, and then through time and weather and shit, the salt moves into the ocean, and that's why there's salt in the ocean. So yeah. So I just want to get into like a little bit of I want to dive deep, no pun intended. I want to dive deep into the ocean, like facts of the ocean. But first, I just want to say like a few things on the ocean. So, the water at the bottom of the ocean, the water on the bottom of the ocean is actually very hot. The water temperature may only be 2 to 4 degrees Celsius, with the exception of water coming out of hydrothermal vents in the seafloor. So the water released from these vents can be up to 400 degrees Celsius. Yeah, 400. Oh wait, I got that wrong. Can be 400 degrees Celsius, which is 750 degrees Fahrenheit. If you go all the way down, you can actually get crushed by the pressure of going that deep into the ocean. And God, that stinks. Going deep into the ocean, you can actually get crushed by the pressure of going that deep. So I'll tell you guys how later. It's the pressure that would crush you that keeps it from boiling for the pressure that would crush you. Also, coral reefs produce their own sunscreen. Too much sunlight can damage the algae that lives inside coral in the shallow water. To protect the algae, which are the main source of the sustenance for the coral, it creates proteins that act as sort of a sunscreen for the algae. I want to back up a little bit. I did not mention this when I wanted to, but when I was talking about the asteroid, this can be a whole new episode, but I just want to tell you guys real quick what I believe. This is going to be an episode, probably the episode after this. We're talking about aliens, which I believe aliens live in the ocean. I don't know if I already said that already, but I believe aliens live in the ocean, and I don't really have any facts to back that up. I can look at some facts and then I can tell you, but this is just what I believe, so you don't have to take it serious. If water is not like a natural substance on planet Earth, and it came from outer space, and it came from an asteroid, and it had, why do I want to say this? So water came from the asteroids, and astronauts been going into space. The first moon landing was a long time ago, but the last time we went to space was the last time we landed on the moon was 1973. We haven't been able to go to the dark side of the moon because it's too cold, and that really doesn't have anything to do with what I'm about to say. But astronauts been to space. People have been searching space for hundreds of years, and nobody has found an alien up there. And life forms in the ocean are way smarter than anything. Like an octopus, for example. Hit the mic. Octopus, for example, it has 8 tentacles, but each tentacle is a brain plus its own brain, so it has 9 brains. And every movie and cartoon that you see, aliens are pictured as a one-eyed tentacle fucking alien. That's what I think an octopus is, and I might be crazy. You guys might be thinking I'm stupid, probably. But I just feel like, no, you don't know what, we've discovered more of the ocean, in fact, more of space, and we only know about 7% of what's in the ocean, and nobody's ever gone down to the ocean. Well, if they have, I don't know about them, and nobody else does. I just feel like starfish, what the fuck are those? And here, I'll show you guys. Oh yeah, one more fact. The biggest waterfall the biggest waterfall is under the ocean. The tallest waterfall you're going to see on land is Angel Falls in Venezuela, which has a drop of over 3,200 feet, but which is underwater waterfall between, wait, what the fuck? Start over. The biggest waterfall is under the ocean, which has a drop of over 3,200 feet. Skip. Okay, so the difference between, I should have said this earlier before I started rambling on, but the difference between a ocean and a beach, what I read, I always thought the ocean and the beach were the beach was the sand and the ocean was the water. I didn't know there was a difference, but apparently there is. And oceans are the biggest bodies of water in the planet, while beaches are landforms. 2, there are significantly a lot more marine plants and animals living within the oceans compared to those at the beach. So oceans are blue in color, and beaches depend on the color of the type of rock washed towards the shore, which I don't really know what that means. So this is also, I'm reading off of Google right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and not believe that. No, I'm just playing. That was fact checked. That's gonna get cut. So I just want to talk to you guys about a little bit of the creepiest sea creatures in my mind. The top 4 creepiest. Wait, is there 4 or 5? Yeah, top 4 creepiest sea creatures that I found on the internet last night. Just searching. I don't have a green screen either, so I don't have anything. And the wall is bare. I don't have a green screen. I need to buy a green screen because I won't be able to show you guys these pictures of the creatures. I'll try my best to try to explain it. I'll just say it if you want to see it, you can go ahead and look at it yourself. But 1, the sarcastic fringe head. I don't know why it's called that. So it's a underwater fish, obviously. It tends to stay in the Caribbean and found in the Caribbean Sea mostly. It poses no threat to humans whatsoever. It's not poisonous, and from reading what I heard, it doesn't even attack ever. And like the fish, if you go online and look at it, you can pause this or whatever and go look at it. But the fish, like its mouth like opens up like that, and then it's a scary tactic, and it has a bunch of teeth. So yeah, sarcastic fringe head. It's a fugazi because like it looks scary, but it ain't gonna do shit. So I mean, it's poisonous, but so don't get close to it. If you're ever in the Caribbean Sea, watch out. 2, we got the frilled shark. Again, go look at it if you want. Once I get a green screen, this will be a lot better. The frilled shark, it looks like a long eel, and then it has like a head. I'll see if I can show you guys. It's called the frilled shark. It's like looks like an eel. It has fin in the back, obviously, and then I can't really see its eyes in the pictures. If you go online, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to see better than me. But yeah, these sharks have 300 teeth across 25 rows and strangle their prey like a snake. So it's a snake shark, and if you get caught by one of those, like if you're just scuba diving, I don't know if it didn't say what ocean they're primarily in, so I would just be careful. But yeah, you're scuba diving and you do one of those catches, you're fucked because it's pulling you all the way down, and your arms are stuck like this, maybe. So yeah, I don't know. It doesn't say it's ever killed a human, but I want to try it. 3, this fish called the barrel eye. Look it up online. This deep sea fish is transparent and it has the ability to move its eyes all the way around its head. So like you can look behind them and see what's coming. Yeah, to view what's going on. Yet the barrel eye shares a commonality with many of the other sea creatures on this list, and that it simply engulfs its prey fully. So 1, this fish looks weird as hell because you can see through it. The fish, you can see its eyeballs, and you can turn them all the way around. That's one fish that if I was a scuba diver and I just jumped in the water and you seen that fish, like a clear ass fish that you can see through, I would be pissing in my pants. I wouldn't even feel it because I'll be in the water. The sharks would smell it. Number 4, sea cucumber. This is literally what it looks like, a cucumber. It's not green. It's a fish. Well, it's not a fish, it's a cucumber. Sea cucumbers are echinoderms from the class Holothrodia. They are marine animals with a leathery skin and an elongated body containing a single branched gonad. So ladies, watch out. Sea cucumbers are found on the sea floor worldwide. So, I don't know if you can eat them. Probably not. That's probably not a good thing to do. I'm gonna see if I can show you this, guys, real quick. Can you see this? Sea cucumber. Oh shit, now it turned off. Oh man. One moment. Oh, it's back. We're good. I didn't even save it either, so I thought all of it's gonna be gone. I was pissed. So yeah. What was I at? Yeah, aliens. So aliens probably gonna be the next episode on the rundown. We're gonna run down aliens, but for right now, I just want to like set up the episode, okay? So oceans. I don't know. I'm interested in the ocean. I feel like I don't know. While I'm looking up, I'm gonna look up some. Didn't do all my research. I'm gonna look up some crazy facts about the ocean. I'm gonna just spit them off to you guys because this channel only is gonna mostly. I don't want to say that. Nah, I'm not gonna make that commitment. I was gonna say that. No. Let's see what the Atlantic coast has to say about the ocean. How crazy is the ocean? Oh shit! I'm gonna subscribe. Oh, you guys see that? That shit weird. Oh, let's run away. Let's make a donation to the Ocean Conservancy. Ooh. Look at that. Join the movement, protect our ocean. Let's see. I think the ocean is cool. Let me know, have you guys ever been in the ocean? I've been in the ocean when I was, I don't know how old I was. I think I was 6 or 4, I don't know, something like that. But we went to California on a family reunion, family vacation type thing. And I don't really remember any of the vacation other than going to the ocean. Ate some seaweed. I don't know what it tastes like, I forgot. I'm gonna have to try it again. And I don't know what ocean that was. I can look it up right now, actually. Because I went last year, I went to the beach. I went to Galveston Beach last year. It's pretty cool. They got a pier on the water, like an amusement park pier thing. I've never been to one of those. It was actually a cool experience. What was I about to do? What ocean is in Cali? Pacific Ocean. That's the one that I went to, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong, Mom, but it's that way we went. Yeah, it's the Pacific Ocean, so I was right. But yeah, I went to that ocean when I was like 4, don't remember anything about it. I went to Galveston Beach, I just said last year. I went to SeaWorld once, which is terrible. SeaWorld should be not allowed. The way they treat their animals. God damn. This really burns. Yeah. Why is it's not about oceans anymore. What kind of? Why is there, bear. Why is there a bear on the California flag? Flag talk. California state flag is also known as the bear flag. The flag used today was first adopted on February 3rd, 1911. It is believed that the bear on the flag is based on the last California grizzly kept in captivity. This bear was named Monarch. I'm going to show you guys a picture of old Monarch here. I don't know if you can, let's see, you get a bigger picture of Monarch. That's Monarch. Oh shit, you can see the ring light. That's Monarch. Yeah, I don't really know. Is he still alive? Is Monarch the grizzly bear alive? No, wait. Oh yeah, I fucking read that he just died in 1911. I'm an idiot. Okay, that's the episode. No, I'm just playing. I mean, we can still talk about some stuff. What do you guys want to talk about? Well, none of you guys are here with me, so we're talking about what I want to talk about. You guys can send in comment section below. Next, whatever future episodes that you want to hear about, you can comment down below, and I'll do my research on them, and if I like them, I'll put them in the video. But yeah, I'll probably do it anyways. I'm not trying to sound rude. Wasn't trying to sound rude. I'll probably do it anyways. But the next episode for sure, because I have a lot to talk about. Aliens, do they exist? Conspiracy theories, all that stuff. But we'll talk about the Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic. That's the ocean I should have did more research on that. I wasn't thinking. Did you know Antarctica? This could be a thing. We have a lot of episodes to do. This is going to be a good show. If you're watching right now, if you're an OG, you can come with me throughout like this whole adventure. It'll be worth your time. But it's actually called the Southern Ocean. I didn't know that. I always call it the Antarctic Ocean, and I still will. Comprises the southernmost. Everybody knows. If you don't, I'll tell you. The southernmost waters of the world ocean, generally taken to be south of 60 degrees south latitude and encircling Antarctica. So, Southern Ocean. Let me see what animals are in there. Obviously penguins, polar bears, whales, penguins. They eat up 2 kilograms of food per day. How much is a kilogram? We learning over here. How did you think when you clicked on this video we would be talking about kilograms? How much is a kilogram? Stay in school, kids. 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds. So they eat 2.2 pounds, probably fish a day. Good diet. That's a lot of protein for them. You know, they be swimming fast too, so they need to re-energize. Protein. It's good for you. What was I doing before that? What animals live in the Southern Ocean, Antarctic Ocean? Penguins, obviously. Albatross, the largest wingspan of any bird. Oh, it's a bird. Antarctic scale worm. Kinstrap penguin. So a lot of penguins. Oh. But they do have a colossal squid. And a cookie cutter shark. I want to see that actually. Cookie cutter shark facts. So the cookie cutter shark, also called the cigar shark, is a species of small squaliform shark in the family Dalatidae. Is that right? Dalatidae. This shark occurs in warm oceanic waters worldwide, particularly near islands, and it has been recorded as deep as 3.7 kilometers. The scientific name is Ischisteus brasilinus. So watch out for those. If you ever seen a Ischisteus brasilinus, just know that it will fuck you up. Don't want to make this video too long, so next episode will be about aliens, and I'll see you guys then. Probably on Friday. Next Friday.